Hey everyone, this is Kyle, aka Aspire from the AspireTech Channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use your iOS and Android device as your secondary display for your Windows laptop and computer. To connect your host computer to your preferred device, you need an app called Spacedesk, which is free on your iOS and Android device. To get Spacedesk, open your Play Store or App Store and search Spacedesk on your search bar. Once Spacedesk is found, download Spacedesk and wait until the download is finished. Once Spacedesk is on your device, what you're gonna do is download Spacedesk on your host computer. You can search it on any web browser or open it in the link of the description. To start, click the download button, then choose the OS you're using right now, which I'm using is Windows 10 64-bit. It will start downloading the installer, and after that is downloaded, open the installer. Click Next, accept terms and conditions. Click Next, 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 then install. Accept the administrator permissions, and once the installer is done, click Finish, and now you have Spacedesk on your computer. To connect your iOS and Android device to your computer, open Spacedesk on your iOS or Android device, and if the name of the host computer and the IP included is shown, tap the IP and it will automatically connect to your laptop or computer via LAN. If you have technical difficulties connecting Spacedesk to your computer or laptop, here are some fixes for you. If the screen will not extend or couldn't display, go to your computer desktop, right-click, and go to Display Settings. Scroll down till you see Multiple Display. Open the tab and click Extend these displays to extend the display of your computer and Android and iOS device. If you want to rearrange the setup of your display, go to your computer desktop, right-click, and go to Display Settings. You can hold-click the iPad display, which is number 2, and drag around where you wanted to arrange it. Click Apply, and after that, you can finally move your window to your second display on a different arrangement. If you want to change the resolution of the display, exit Spacedesk on your Android, iOS device, and go to Settings and type in your custom resolution. After that, tap Done and go back to your laptop or computer, and it will now detect your resolution automatically. If the resolution is too big from what you were expecting, go back to your display settings and scroll down to see Display Resolution. Click the tab and click the resolution that you typed into your iPad previously, then keep changes. If your Android or iOS device is lagging when using a second display, exit Spacedesk on your device and go to Settings, Quality, then adjust your image quality, color depth, and custom frame rate. Now, depending on the speed of your router, If your connection is slow, make sure color depth is in low color quality for fast speed when using the display. If your connection is mildly okay or good, make sure color depth is in medium color quality. If your connection is best or extremely good, go with high color quality. For recommendations for everyone, it's best to use low color quality for the best results and make sure image quality and FPS is set the same. But if you want to fiddle around with the quality setting, then it's your own choice. But if your second display is still lagging, it's recommended to use Ethernet to make your display smoother and not laggy when using it. If you enable or disable touchscreen, or you want to change input type, then exit Spacedesk on your device, then go to Settings, Touchscreen, and you can enable or disable screen input and change the input type of this touchscreen. If you have any more problems that are not related to these answers I gave you, comment down below and I will try my best to answer your question for you to use your device as your second monitor. Thank you for watching this video. If this helped you, then hit like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and other videos I'd be making. From that, I'm signing out and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!